Why she pulled away when you open up? A lot of men ask this question. This very painful question. Why did she pull away? Right after I finally opened up. I guess you showed vulnerability. You shared your fears, your struggles and your past. And instead of getting closer, she became distant from you. So you are left, thinking and guessing. What happened? What did I say wrong? What did I not say? So here's the truth, guys. Here's the truth that most men are not told. If you find yourself in this situation, okay, you should know these 5 points. Number 1, your vulnerability isn't the problem. No, that's not the problem. The timing is. You chose the wrong time. See, opening up is powerful, okay? But when and how you do it matters. It matters. See, if emotional depth comes before trust is fully built, let's say for instance you are just starting a relationship with a lady and you've not taken your time to build trust in that relationship, and then you drop a bomb on her, it can feel overwhelming rather than bonding. So you pick the wrong timing. It's not that you're vulnerable. You gave out too much too early in the relationship. You need to allow the relationship to grow before you tell her certain things. 2, she needed strength before sensitivity. Yeah. See, many women are drawn to emotional honesty. Yeah, that's the truth. But this honesty must be anchored on stability. Yes. Stability in terms of the relationship, I mean. When vulnerability comes without emotional grounding, she may unconsciously, feel like she has to carry you. See, women don't want a burden as a boyfriend, as a lover. No. See, your lady wants to be your best fan. She wants to be there to cheer you on. She's not ready to be there to carry you on her back. Ladies are not built that way. No. Ladies are wired to be around successful men. Ladies are wired to be around you when you're doing well, when you know what you are doing, okay, when you are not confused, you are focused, Ladies are not there when you are sulking as a man, no. Ladies are not wired to stay with men that sulk, no. So, you should ensure that before the vulnerability comes, ensure that there's already stability in that relationship. She cannot carry you. She can't. 3, she didn't know how to hold what you shared. See, let me tell you something, guys. I want you to know something, guys. One thing you should know is that if you land something too heavy on her feet, you may just scare away. No. See, not every woman has the emotional capacity to receive deep male vulnerability. No, women are not wired to babysit vulnerable men. Pulling away doesn't always mean rejection. No. Sometimes it means confusion or fear. She might just be scared because she doesn't know how do I help this guy? What do I say to him? She's not wired that way. 4, emotional dumping feels different, okay, than emotional sharing. Yeah. See, there's a difference between opening up and unloading everything at once. Wow. You can open up gradually, okay? Piecemeal at a time. But not dumping everything on her. When emotions come, okay, without context, without resolution, or even self-awareness, you will discover that it can create a lot of emotional pressure. She can't handle that. 5. She still wants you, no doubt about that, but in a balanced way. Most times, she didn't lose attraction. No, she hasn't lost attraction for you. She lost emotional orientation. She's trying to reorientate herself. She's trying to re-educate her mind into the norm, what she's used to, and to conform with the new order that you're just telling her. She needs to see that you can open, okay? And that you can be open. She needs to be able to see it and grounded, honest and stable. She needs to see a stable man. Yeah. So guys, this is for you. So what men should do instead of unloading or downloading yourself to a lady, all in the name of maybe on the complaint, or you are vulnerable, what you should do instead, you share your emotions with self-control, not self-abandonment. Self-control. You can as well lead with clarity, not chaos. Okay? So you are in a relationship, you are in charge of the relationship. Lead her with clarity, not chaos. So even if you are giving her that type of information, you should also be sensitive enough to know that she wants to be clear as well, and she doesn't want chaos. No. See, be vulnerable. Nobody's saying you don't have a right to be vulnerable, okay? But show that you are still capable of handling life. Yes. Some men start to cry when they are being vulnerable with their lady. Maybe they are telling her about a relationship in the past that hurt them, or that something happened to them, and they start and begin to cry. Ladies are not wired to do that. It's supposed to be the other way around. The truth is, true masculinity, okay, is not weakness. It's not. It's actually emotional honesty. Yeah? Backed by strength. Did you get that? It's not weakness, but it's emotional honesty that is backed up by strength. And that strength is what comes from being the man and being, masculine enough to do this. So guys, before you decide to unload, to dump a lot of information to your woman, be very sure that she's the type that is ready to receive that type of information. See, women, they are not wired the way you think. A woman is not a man. Neither is a man a woman. Okay? So guys, to be clear with what I'm saying, okay? Why she pulled away when you open up? You open up, yeah, but you lowered your guard. You spoke from a place you rarely visit. It's not a familiar terrain you visited. And for a moment, you thought it brought you closer. But then, she changed. Her energy shifted. Her text slowed. The frequency of her text slowed down. And that warmth you often and always used to get faded. And you're left asking yourself, what did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? Here's the truth most men never hear. Your opening up to her didn't push her away. No. But opening up the wrong way, that was what pushed her away. So you opened up good, but you did it just the wrong way. See, vulnerability is powerful, but vulnerability without grounding feels like instability. Yeah, that's what it feels like. She wasn't rejecting you. She was reacting to what she suddenly felt responsible for. Because all of a sudden, it was as though you lifted the weight from yourself and dumped it on her. So that was what she was reacting to. You see guys, many women are drawn to emotional depth when it's anchored in strength. I need you to get that straight. Emotional depth when it's anchored in strength, and that strength should come from you as a guy. So if you are being vulnerable as a man, it must come from a place of strength and not from a place of weakness. The ladies are not wired to see your weakness. See, your lady, I want you to understand this. Your lady is your best fan. Your lady is your number one supporter. She will cheer you on. She wants you to be a success. She wants you to always be the superstar. She's not wired to babysit you. So whenever you want to pass that type of information that is connected with vulnerability, must come from a place of strength. Yes. But when vulnerability sounds like collapse, wow. When it feels unresolved, when it's as though you've been carrying that baggage for a long time and all of a sudden you dump in on her. When it comes with that clarity, it triggers something different. But that thing different is not attraction. It's something of concern. So what it triggers is something that actually gives her concern. See, there's a difference between emotional honesty and emotional dumping. Okay? There's a difference. See, one says, I've been through things and I understand myself. Yeah, you can say that. The other says, I'm overwhelmed and I don't know how to hold myself. Can you see the differences? I'm overwhelmed. I don't even know how to hold myself. And in that very moment, she didn't know whether to lean in or step back to protect herself. You have left her in a state of limbo. She's confused. She didn't know how to act. So this is what men are really taught. A lot of men don't know this. They don't teach men this. So women don't want a man who hides his emotions, no. But they also don't want to become the place where the emotions fall apart. Did you get that? They don't mind if you don't hide your emotions, but they don't want you to turn them to that dumping ground. They don't want to be the place where the emotion that you're expressing as a guy falls apart. No. Like I said, your lady is your number one fan. She wants to cheer you on all the time. She wants to cheer you on. She wants to be your cheerleader. So they want openness, yeah, with direction. They need to be sure you know what you're doing. Truth with self-control. They want that. They want vulnerability, but with leadership. Which means, even though you are the guy and you're vulnerable, they still want you to act as a leader. They want to still see you as the head. Yes, your lady still wants you in charge. So when she pulled away, it wasn't because you were weak. Nah, it wasn't because you were weak. No. It was because the frame shifted. You dumped it on her. And she felt like emotional ground moved beneath her feet. She's not used to that terrain. She felt like, wow, what just happened? So she didn't know how to respond. Masculine vulnerability isn't about saying everything, guys. No. It's not about saying, no, I just want to be sincere. I just said, let me let it out. No. It's about knowing what to say, when to say it, and above all, how to carry it. So you must know the right words to say. You must know it, when to say it, And I have to convey it. So it's being honest, guys, without handing over your stability. That's it. You are being honest. You understand that? But don't hand over your stability. And if you are listening to this right now, if you are listening to me right now, I want you to know this and know it for free. You don't need to shut down. No. And you don't need to harden your heart. No, you don't need to become that. And you don't also need to stop opening up. No, I'm not saying you should stop opening up. I'm not saying you should harden your heart. All you need, what I'm saying in essence, is that you need balance. Yeah. Because the man who can feel deeply and still stand firmly, that man doesn't push women away. Let me say that. That man doesn't push women away. Once you can stand your ground, once you know the right time, you must read the mood. You must read the room. And you must be able to still stand firmly, even though you are conveying a piece of your heart to her. When you do this, it makes them feel safe. And women want to stay in a place where they feel safe. That's it. They want to stay in a place where they feel safe. So guys, in case today is your first time seeing my face, my name is Michael, this is my channel. If you are to subscribe and follow me, why not do so now? Remember to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get my videos as soon as I drop them. In case you have never been here before, I'm a relationship expert and I discuss everything of the heart. I'm there, to give you the light. That light that will make your heart love again. That light that will make you to see have hope in hope again. That light that will make you believe in love again. Thank you for watching thus far. Thank you for your time. See you on my next one. Cheers.